Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Rain Sensor plus Moisture Sensor for IoT and Telegram Alert using ESP32. So in this project we are using rain sensor and as well as soil moisture sensor to detect the moisture content of the field. If rain detected, motor should be off. Soil detected, motor off. There is no rain and there is no soil, the motor should be on and off through Telegram app. So here the motor on and motor option is there. So with that option, so we got the alerts. We will check the alert. According to alert, the motor on and off we will do. So ESP32 development kit version 1 and sample alarm 16 cross 2 LCD display. So RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, 23, 22, 21, 19, 18, 5, SPDT relay and pump. So let us coming into the hardware unit. So here I am using two power supply board, but one is required. So there is pin connection purpose I taken two power supply board. So bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator and one LED. So ESP32 module. Okay, so 16 cross 2 LCD display, alarm, SPDT relay and one water pump and one rain sensor board and soil moisture sensor board, rain sensor board. So here we are using ESP32 development kit version 1, 30 GPIO pin. So here LCD is connected with 23, 22, 21, 19, 18, 5 and sensor it is connected with the 34 and 35 and motor it is connected with the 27, alarm it is connected with the 14th pin. So let us coming into the programming part. So here we are using universal telegram app 23 LCD pin connection, buzzer and the motor. LEDs I am not using, soil moisture and the rain sensor. So this is my entire programming part. Okay, so once rain sensor plus moisture sensor, water gardening system or anything telegram app. So here we are on and off and it will send the alert to our mobile. So let's start with the power supply. So here rain sensor plus water sensor, gardening system or soil field alert, IoT and telegram app. So once it is checked, it will sense for the two sensors, moisture sensor and the rain sensor, and it is checking for the Wi-Fi. Once it is connected Wi-Fi, then no soil and no rain, motor on. So we are getting the alert on the phone. Okay, no moisture and no rain, motor should be on. So once we will check for the options, we are sending the options to the kit and we will get the options here. Okay, once options came like motor on, motor off, we will check. We will turn on motor. Okay, now it is connecting. Internet is not open. Okay, mobile data is on. Mobile data I am using. I am not using Wi-Fi. I am using only mobile internet. You can control this application from anywhere in the world. Okay, telegram app, motion robot. Okay, options, send option. Yeah, options came. Motor on, motor is on with a fast response. Okay, so once water is detected, so I am taking sample pot. Okay, if water is detected, it rain, no soil but rain detected. You go, no moisture but raining, motor off, motor off. Motor off. Okay, suppose if raining is coming, moisture is detected, it will tell you Okay, I will remove like this. So now no raining, no soil and no raining, motor on. We got the alert called no moisture and no raining. So okay, now motor is on. Okay, now I am detecting the soil. Soil detected but no raining, motor off. Okay, soil detected, no raining, motor off. Okay, now I am pressing the motor off button. Motor off. Okay, suppose same like that you can add for the, there are two options, raining as well as soil. Motor should be off. If raining, motor should be off. If soil, motor should be off. There is no raining and no soil, then motor should be on. Like that we created three conditions. So no raining, no water, no soil, then the motor should be on. So like that we will press the motor on button. No raining, no soil, motor is on. Okay, so we can add humidity sensor or temperature sensor or anything you can add in this project. Motor off, motor off, motor on. As per mobile data internet, it will come as fast. Motor on. So my mobile data is very low. Motor off, motor on, motor off. So here network is very low. Motor off. So power supply, alarm and ESP32, SPDT relay, water pump, rain sensor, soil moisture sensor.